I don't mind being right, even when we get it wrong.
If you'd like to learn more tips and tricks of editing, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. So let's go. I split the part that I throw towards the sky with my hand, and I add the video from the overlay section. And from the mask section, I set the mask to horizontal. And with the arrow under the mask, I fade the edge of the video. I copy the main video and put it into the third layer. Then go to the cutout section, and from the customize section, with the quick brush, I select the subject and remove the background of it. And I applied a series of adjustments to the color and light of the video.
Every time that you think it's gone too far, we come a long way, and I know that it's only just begun. Cause if you think that loving someone else could ease your mind,
I select the video of subject in the third layer and do some adjustments for it to match better with the background.
even when we get it wrong.
And I put some effects into my edit. The first video effect that I choose is Thunderbolt 2, and I set it for all of the videos. When you select the effect from Adjust section, you can specify that for which layer the effect is applied to. I set the first white flash 2 for the main video.
Show me loving. I need your loving.
And apply the second white flash 2 video effect to the video of sky.
Show me loving. I need loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being a dog to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now?
And I shorten the white flash 2 video effects and make copy of 2 of them, and change the adjustment of speed and glow. If you like to learn more editing like this, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to share it with your friends.